If you are getting error code 110 or just having general Wi-Fi or connection issues with your Samsung TV or really any TV, I'm going to show you a few things that we can check to see if we can fix this problem for you. So you can see that I currently have pickleball TV playing, so I don't have any issues right now, but I'm going to walk you through what you need to check. So to walk you through some of the things we can check, we need to first check out the network settings. This is probably a screen that if you're having issues you're already looking at, but just in case, let's take a look here. Let's go to the Wi-Fi and then we'll select network status. If you have an older TV, your menu will probably look like this one here, and it's going to be the same. We'll go to the connection into network, and then we'll check our network status. So just a couple things here. I want you to look at these three dots on either side. So this is the TV, this is our home Wi-Fi, and that is the www, the World Wide Web, the Google. So if we have an X right here where these three dots are, that means our TV is not connected to our in-home Wi-Fi network. You can see I am connected to home network. If we have an X here, that means our TV is connected to our Wi-Fi, but our Wi-Fi is not connected to the internet. So there's two different issues we could be having, and everything we're going to talk about today will help with these issues. So let's kick this off first by doing a soft reset or a power cycle. And really all it is, we're going to unplug the TV. We're going to let it sit unplugged for a minute or two, and then we're going to plug it back in. And we'll see if discharging that electrical buildup helps at all. After the power cycle, if we're still having the issues, let's take a look at the TV and see if we can disconnect and reconnect our network. So to do that, from the network settings, we would just hit this disconnect, and then we'll disconnect from the home network. So I'm currently disconnected. Now I'm going to reconnect. So let's open network settings and then walk through this. This is a wireless. We'll choose our network. And we'll let it reconnect back to the network. Success. Okay. Boom. We'll check the network status, and that should have resolved your issue. Now if it didn't, now we're going to look into resetting the actual network, the Wi-Fi network in the house. Now I have the Google Nest Wi-Fi, so I'm going to open up the app and go and reset the network or restart the network. If you do not have an app for your Wi-Fi, you will usually find a reset button on the back of your router. Just hit that to reset the network. And then I'll come back to the TV and we'll try this again once that reconnects. Now, worst case scenario, let's say that you're still not able to connect. Let's reset the TV. Now, saving this one for last because it's a pain. If you have all your passwords saved, nobody wants to come in here and input all that stuff back. So save this one for last. Now to do that, we're going to go to General and Privacy. We'll scroll down to Reset. We'll enter our PIN and we'll reset the TV. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to deal with that hassle. Now, if that's still not working, check your neighborhood. Maybe your internet is down. My internet here in Dallas disconnects often. If there's a power outage, that could be the issue. But guys, I hope this helped. If it did, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below, and we'll see you next time.